Is YouTube still worth it in 2025? In this video, we are going to be finding out. A lot of people think that YouTubers are making like huge money. That is why everybody is doing YouTube. Like YouTube must be paying us something well. While this can be true for some people, but for people in this side of the world, it is not actually true. Like, cause if you are in the US, you are in the developed countries, YouTube do not pay the same amount that YouTube is paying for us in the developing countries. So our location is actually a barrier, actually a factor in how much we earn on YouTube. But let's head right into my YouTube studios to find out how much YouTube paid me for this particular video in a different niche. So if you see me looking down, it's because I'm with my laptop. Get paid $30 per hour to test application, being a website tester. So we are going to be going to the analytics right now. This video has 1,900 views already, and the average watch time on this video was 68.2. The subscribers was 66. I gained 66 subscribers from this video. So now I'm going to click on the advanced. In my last video, I already spoke about how where your views are coming from can actually affect how much YouTube pays you. So if your viewers are coming from the US, the UK, YouTube will actually pay more to like get their ads in front of these people. But if your viewers are coming from underdeveloped countries, like developing countries like maybe Nigeria, Ghana, YouTube is going to pay you differently compared to those ones. So where your viewers are watching from actually matters. But for me, a Nigerian living in Nigeria, most of my viewers come from Nigeria. And let me just check out to be specific on the countries my viewers were coming from. Okay, so this is not showing me geography for whatever reason. I don't know why. But I want to believe that majority of my viewers are coming from Nigeria. What is my viewer's age? I don't understand. Why does this not have enough data? This particular video does not have enough data. So the CPM on this video, advertisers were willing to pay me $3.61 on this video. So how much exactly did YouTube pay me? Because CPM is different from RPM. CPM is cost per milli, while RPM is revenue per milli. So advertisers were willing to pay YouTube 3.61 cents. So how much in this 3.61 cents was YouTube willing to pay me? Let's go and check that out. So we are going to click on RPM. So YouTube was willing to pay me 2.19 cents out of the 3.61 cents that advertisers were willing to pay. So, and mind you, this video has 1,900 views. So how much did I make in total from this video? You'll be surprised. So in total, since this video has been published, I have made 3.82 cents from this video. Yeah, I've made total of 3.82 cents from this video. I'm just going to go and check out another video that has reached 1,000 views and check how much YouTube has paid me since I switched to niche. But obviously this is higher than skincare, because for skincare content, like this is like a higher revenue. Like if YouTube is willing to pay you $2 as a revenue on a video, that content must be good, because in skincare content, the most revenue I get from YouTube videos is in cents. Like maybe advertisers were willing to pay like $2, YouTube is willing to pay me like 92 cents or 1 cent or $1 and something cents. Like when I get $2 on a video as RPM, I'm usually very happy because I'm like, oh, this video is doing well. So now let's check. This video also reached 1,000 views. This 6 Indian remote jobs website nobody talks about. This video says I posted it as 1,500 views. And the total watch time I've gotten from this video is 53.2. I got 30 subscribers. Let's see. I'm going to see how much did I get in reach. This video reached like 16.9 thousand people and only 6.9% clicked through. And I got 1,500 views. Unique views was 1.3, so 200 of my returning subscribers watched. And a lot of people they found this video through Google search, WhatsApp business, WhatsApp, and let me see, where were my audience coming from? A lot of my audience were female, so 92.3% were female, only 7.8% were male, and obviously. My top geographies is from Nigeria, followed by people in the United States. Actually, that is really nice. So now let us check for the cocoa on the cocoa. Drum roll, please. Yeah, revenue. How much have I made in total from this video? As you can see, I have like a higher CPM on this video, which is very, very unusual. Like for my usual skincare content, advertisers were willing to pay 7.66 cents on this video, which is very, very high, like very, very high. 7.66 cents. How much was YouTube willing to pay me? So my RPM for that video, let me check my RPM for that video. So my RPM for that video was 3.48. Like advertisers were willing to pay 7.66 cents. YouTube was willing to pay me $3.48. Like that is not even up to half that YouTube was willing to pay me. But I'll still take it because that's like $3 on a 1,000 video. That's a lot compared to my usual pay. So how much have I made in total on this video? I've actually made $5.26 on this video. And somebody will be like, oh, if YouTube is willing to pay you 3.48 cents, how did you make 5.26 cents? Obviously from that other 500 views. So on the 1.5k videos, I made a $5.26, and this is really reasonable, like really reasonable. I know how hard I work for this with my skincare content, like, and I never make this much, despite the fact that I start to use my money to buy skincare review. I don't think I've actually really made $5 on a 1k video ever on a skincare content. So this is really like making sense. I'm hoping for better improvements in the future. These are just pennies. These are not life-changing money yet. So if you are starting YouTube because you heard that YouTube pays and you want to come and make life-changing money, you will or might eventually make that kind of money, but it's not going to be as easy as you think it is. Like, it is not immediately. I've been on YouTube for, it's almost 3 years now. By August, it will be 3 years. And I'm still not making life-changing money yet. Like, I would not even say that I'm making money on YouTube. Like, so you should see that it really takes a lot of perseverance and resilience. So if YouTube is, if you're not really passionate about YouTube, I would not advise you to start YouTube because you're going to get frustrated super easy if you are not sure of why or you are on YouTube. But if you're on YouTube because you want to make money, alright, but you also want to use YouTube to develop your other skills, then YouTube is for you. And also, it is not just through YouTube ad revenues that you can make money. You can make money through sponsorships, like brands can want to work with you. Anyway, that is how much YouTube paid me for 1,000 views, and you'll be the judge of that. Is YouTube still worth it in 2025? In my opinion, I'll say yes, for somebody that's passionate about it. But if you are going to be doing it just because, I'm not trying to make this video to discourage anybody. I just want to be honest with you because a lot of people are not comfortable with telling people how much they actually make on YouTube because they feel like, oh, it might discourage others, or they just don't want to put that information out there. But I personally do not mind. So that is it. See you in my next video. Bye.